Why do 70% of businesses use debt to grow? It's a question that might seem counterintuitive at first. After all, isn't debt something to be avoided? But the reality is debt, when managed correctly, can be a strategic tool for growth and expansion. Because when used wisely, debt can be a powerful tool for building wealth. Let's talk about debt. Debt isn't just about borrowing money, it's about leveraging resources to create more value. It's about using other people's money to make strategic investments that can yield significant returns. Yeah, I know, it sounds scary. The idea of owing money can be daunting, especially if you've been taught to avoid debt at all costs. But let's break down this fear and understand how debt can actually work in your favor. But here's a secret. Debt is just a tool. Just like a wrench or a hammer, debt is something you can use to build and create. It's not inherently good or bad. It's all about how you use it. And like any tool, it's all about how you use it. If you use a hammer correctly, you can build a house. If you use it incorrectly, you can hurt yourself. The same goes for debt. It's about strategy, planning, and execution. First, let's break it down. Good debt versus bad debt. Understanding the difference is crucial. Good debt is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. Bad debt, on the other hand, is used to purchase things that quickly lose value and do not generate income. Bad debt, think credit cards with sky-high interest rates. Not fun. This kind of debt can quickly spiral out of control, leading to financial stress and hardship. Good debt, that's your ticket to potential wealth. Good debt is an investment in your future. It's about borrowing money to make more money. Take real estate, for instance. Real estate is a classic example of good debt. By taking out a mortgage to buy a property, you're investing in an asset that can appreciate over time. Investors often use mortgages not just to buy properties, but to leverage tax benefits. The interest on your mortgage can often be deducted from your taxes, reducing your overall tax burden. Buy low, fix up, refinance, and boom, you've just built equity. And what about businesses? Businesses use debt to fuel growth and expansion. They borrow money to invest in new projects, hire more staff, and increase their production capacity. They thrive on debt. Debt allows businesses to take advantage of opportunities that they wouldn't be able to afford otherwise. Instead of draining personal funds, they use loans to expand. This way, they can keep their personal finances separate from their business finances, reducing their personal risk. Selling pens, opening new stores, you name it. Debt fuels growth. By using debt strategically, businesses can scale up quickly and efficiently. Even in the stock market, borrowing can be golden. Investors use margin accounts to borrow money to buy more stocks than they could with their own cash. Hedge funds use leverage to short stocks and make money even when prices drop. This strategy allows them to profit in both rising and falling markets. Well, high risk, sure, but with high rewards. Then there's forex trading. Forex traders use leverage to control large positions with a relatively small amount of capital. With leverage, a small investment controls a massive amount of currency. This can amplify gains, but it can also amplify losses, so it's important to manage risk carefully. Big gains, but watch out for big losses too. Leverage can be a double-edged sword, so it's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy in place. Finally, a strong credit score is your golden ticket. A good credit score can open doors to better interest rates and more favorable loan terms. It opens doors to better rates and bigger opportunities. With a high credit score, you can qualify for lower interest rates on mortgages, car loans, and even credit cards. Pay on time, keep your balances low, and watch your financial future brighten. By managing your debt responsibly, you can build a strong credit history and improve your financial health. So, next time someone says debt is evil, remember that it's not the debt itself that's the problem, but how it's used. Debt can be a powerful tool for building wealth if used wisely. Remember this, it's not the enemy, it's a tool that, when used correctly, can help you achieve your financial goals. Used wisely, it's a powerful ally in your path to financial freedom. By understanding and leveraging debt, you can unlock new opportunities and create a brighter financial future for yourself.